second year CSE department. We have attended the one-day workshop on troubleshooting in hardware, which was conducted by Aaladiyan.A. What we learned is we have learned many hardware components like processor, SMPS, and how to fix the components in correct way. It was very impressive and interactive session. So we have learned we got many ideas about hardware. It's very useful, and thanks to the HOD, coordinator and resource persons for giving us wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
A very pleasant evening to all. Today I am going to speak about the engineering clinic, which was conducted by Mr. Seenivasagapandi.A, the resource person. He taught us about the architecture of the computer, how the architecture, the processor, the RAM, the CMOS are fixed. The session was very useful, and we also have the work on practice, and I was able to fix the RAM on myself. He just instructed me to remove the edges and take out the RAM, and once again keep the RAM in the desired place and just insert it. The session was very useful for all of us, and thank you for the HOD and the coordinator person and the resource person. Thank you.